Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in previous video we talked about loops. In today's video we will talk about list. What is list? Okay. So we will create new file day6.py. So friends, what is list? List is a container which can contain any data type. Okay. So we will create a variable. So name as a list one. Okay. So friends, this is the empty list syntax. So this list has nothing. So we can check length of list by len inbuilt function. So we are printing our list and we are checking our length of list. So we will execute our code. So you can check this is the our list. It's printing. There is nothing, and this is the length of list. Length of list is 0. So let's add some items in the list. So we will add one and Rohan. We can add boolean value also. So as you can see here, this is our list and length of list is 5. So friends, um, you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So friends, in list index number starting from 0, we can access a particular index number by this syntax. Okay, let's execute our code. So it's printing Rohan. So as you can see here, in list index number is starting from 0. So at 0 index 1 is here and 1 index is Rohan. Okay, so we can change this value and check. So at 0 index number 1, at 3 index number is 12.5. So friends, if we have lots of items, Then suppose that we want to access with Mohan, so we can, instead of this going from this side, we can reverse it. Suppose that this is 1 2, so we can put here -2, then it will print Mohan. So as you can see here, it's printing Mohan. So if we put here -3, then it will print item C 1 2 3. So -3, it's reversing. Okay. If we remove this minus, then it will count from starting. See, 1 0 1 2 3, 12.5. So friends, at 3 index number, now we are getting 12.5. If we want to change at 3 index number value, so for this is the syntax. List index number, which index number you want to change, is equal to new value. So we are going to change this Sam. We are going to change it by Sam. Okay. So now at 3 index number, it's printing Sam. So friends, if we want to check whether a particular item is available or not in the list, so for this there is a syntax: list variable name dot find index and value. Suppose that we are searching 1, so it's returning 0. So 0 is this one index number. Okay. So instead of 1, we can check 1 2 3. What is the index number of 1 2 3? So it's printing 2 0 1 2. Okay. Let's check what is the return value of a item which is not here. Okay, we are searching some random value. So it's throwing error, value error. Okay. So if the value will not find, then it will throw error. So let's create one more list. List 2 is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So we can merge two lists, okay, by this syntax. So we are merging list 1 and list 2. So as you can see here, deal अब है, this is the value of list 1, and 1 2 3 4 5, this is the value of list 2. This all are in one list, okay. So this is the tutorial for list. We will talk in the next video about tuple, okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends and colleagues. We will okay friends, bye.